Hi, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This boat has a black strip, comes on a tandem axle trailer. This boat has a nice walk-through, so you're never stepping foot on the upholstery. The flooring is Infinity woven flooring. It's snap-in, easy to dry. Up here at the bow, you'll notice two Fusion speakers, as well as an easy way to board underneath this seat. You can pop that out, and you have a non-slip textured material, so it's easy to board from the front. This 21 SPX is equipped with a Cope captain chair, plenty of cup holders, storage under every seat. Under the rear seat here is a fully insulated cooler with a drain at the bottom. Nice big cooler. Another cooler is under the bench seat behind the helm. And here at the helm we have a Fusion radio control, all your tacks, depth finder, and cup holders everywhere. There's also plenty of phone chargers here in this 21 SPX. This boat is equipped with a 4.5 liter 250 horsepower Merc cruiser. Again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this boat or any of the other ones we have on display today.